Hello, 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 hello. You all come in, hit the like, hit the share button. I know this is a late live stream, but I haven't live streamed in some days, right? I haven't live streamed in some days. So better late than never, right? Better late than never. Took some days off. Was doing some things, some research on some other topics, and just got really engulfed in that and didn't really have the time to hit that live stream button. But hey, I'm almost finished and complete with that mission. I do want to give you all some updates on crypto nodes. My question to you is, do you have nodes? Do you have crypto nodes? What are crypto nodes? Crypto nodes is when you purchase digital software. It's like you're purchasing the goose that lays the golden egg, right? You all come in, hit the like and share button. Come on, I know it's late night, but show me some digital love. I haven't been live streaming in some days. So if you up, right? I mean, I really want to do a live stream on the Denver Nuggets and what that means for the economy. I wanted to do a live stream and discuss the Fed not raising the interest rates today and what does that mean with the promise that it still will be two new rate hikes in the future, right? But I'm not in front of my laptop because in my area there was a storm that came through today, and for some reason my Wi-Fi is not working. That's why I'm on my cell phone right now. So we're gonna make it. We're gonna get it done. So what are crypto nodes? Crypto nodes is if you are purchasing a goose that lays a golden egg, right? It's as if you were purchasing an ATM that can mine or distribute you cash, right? Or in this situation, coins, aka tokens, on a daily basis. So I want to talk to you all about compounding interest, right? Compounding interest. And this famous quote states that he who understands it earns it, right? He who understands it earns it, and he who do not understand it, right? They pay it. Who made that quote? Because I'm not in front of my laptop. But he who understands it earns it, and the person that does not understand compound interest pays it. Hello, Patrice. Double P, double prosperity. Hello to you. I saw you doing your thing on Facebook um, with your trucking business. Congrats on that. And so yeah, let's get back to. Let me know if the sound is okay as well. This is not going to be a long live stream because it is late night on my end. But I'm going to ask you all the question: would you rather have a penny that doubles every day for a month, or $1 million straight up? Right, a penny that doubles every day for a month, or $1 million. If someone offered you 1 mil straight up, you probably jump at that, right? Most of you, I probably would jump at that offer. Give me the meal. I want the $1 million straight up. But what if they offer you a choice of $1 million or a penny that doubles every day for a month? Okay, thank you. And thank you for being a Patreon member. It says the sound is okay, good. So when a penny doubles for 30 days, you might be surprised of how much that penny will yield, right? If a penny doubles for 30 days, y'all, excuse me. And I'm about to get the braids back in. I got to hit the gym. Let me position myself a little better. I got to hit the gym and I got to sweat and do all that good stuff. So the braids are about to come in. Thank you so much. You said the sound is great. The braids are about to return, right? So if you double a penny every day for 30 days, guess what? Guess how much you will end up with? I'm gonna give you all a chance to answer that. Right? I'm gonna give you 60 seconds. This is called exponential growth. Exponential growth. It showcases the power of compounding money over time. Exponential growth. So I'm gonna break down, right? And I'm gonna give you all 30 more seconds to answer that question. If you had a penny that doubled every day for 30 days, how much do you think that will yield? How much you think that would return? Most people would look at a penny and say, hey, it's just a penny. That's not a lot of money. Give me the million up front, right? But I'm going to give you a financial lesson of why, little by little, right? Little by little will bring you higher returns than a lump sum at one time. Now, most people do not know this. They don't have this knowledge. Most people, for example, they get $1 million, they don't even calculate the taxes that come off the top, whether it's the trying to keep my phone straight, whether it's 35 to 38%. But people, let me tell you all this: it is easier. It is really easier to make a lot of money in a short period of time. It is easier to make a lot of money in a short period of time than it is a little money over a long period of time. Let me say that again. It is easier to make a short amount of money. I mean, a lot of money in a short amount of time than it is to make a little money over a long period of time. So now, the power of a penny that doubles every day, that doubles every day for 30 days. At the beginning of the month, right? The $1 million up front might look pretty good, except when your taxes come out of it. And then after all, the end of 7 days, you will end up with 64 cents. Think about this. At the end of 7 days, and I'm sorry, my camera's not stable. I'm holding it in my hand, my phone in my hand, because again, my Wi-Fi is out. But at the end of 7 days, you'll have 64 cents. You really feel like you made the wrong decision after 7 days. If you took the penny, it would take 15 days to break $100. Listen at this. It would take 15 days to break $100 from your penny doubling. But day 15, this is when things get interesting. On day 14, you will have just $81.92 in your penny based bank account. So day 14, you have $81.92, doubling that penny every day. And then by day 15, you have $163.84. Now I know you're probably saying, Queen, this still doesn't beat the million. Even if I pay 30% taxes, I still have a cool 700K to work with, right? Right, a cool 700K to work with. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. So that's just a little bit more money. It could be um, your Netflix payment or something around your house, right? But don't spend your earnings yet. In 3 more days, day 18, you all put 18, hashtag 18, whether you are watching this live or on the replay. Day 18, people, you will have more than $1,000. It'll be $1,310.72 to be exact, right? Now you may be wondering at this point, if I take 1 million up front, I still have a better option. You're still at day 18. Let's keep going though. Hold out for 20 days. You will see your money continue to grow, right, in tangible ways. On day 20, when the penny doubles for 30 days, you'll have $5,242.88 in your bank account. This is day 20. By day 21, you will have 10K, people. $10,000. I'm trying to fix my hair right. By day 20, you will have $10,000. And also notice your taxation rate. Money that's invested, money that's invested is taxed normally 0%. Money that's invested is taxed at 0%, right? Versus money that you receive all at one time or up front. Hello, Tony. So now you go on to day, let's see, day 21, $10,000 on day 28. The magic happens. Day 28, the magic happens. You'll have $671,000.88. That becomes well over, people, on day 21, right? And the next day, you'll have 2 million. You're looking at the balance of 2 million. We're over a million now. $2,684,354. $2,684,354. Let me make sure I say that correctly. Taking a penny a day that doubles clearly is a better choice than accepting the $1 million. When a penny doubles for 30 days, for every day for 30 days, you'll end up with a outstanding balance of $5,368,000 $709. Wow. And this is the power of having crypto nodes. You get these crypto nodes that accumulates that works for you, right? Instead of just buying a certain amount, at a one-time lump sum or whatever you can afford. And what happens is that most people do not force themselves to buy at the bottom. They don't force themselves. And excuse my camera, you I'm holding it with my hand. It's not that easy. I'm not in front of my laptop. My Wi-Fi is out, so I just want to go live. So excuse the me moving it. Most people don't know that power of mining crypto versus buying it out front. Mining crypto forces you, even with the dips, the highs and the lows, it forces you to buy at the bottom. When you buy at the bottom, right? Because in the crypto world, just like the stock market world, you have no idea what the bottom is. You don't know what the lowest of the crash can be. We don't know if, for example, if Bitcoin at 25K right now is the bottom for the year or if it is. So when you're mining crypto, when you're accumulating, I like making money when I'm asleep, whether I'm on the beach or I'm, sipping and sick in the hospital, right? I like making money where I don't like making money on my feet. I like making money where I'm on the beach, where I'm asleep, or sipping and sick in a hospital. That's passive income. Passive income where your money is working 24/7, 365 days a year for you. Now, the one-time purchase can give you lifetime. I said that right. Lifetime passive income. The one-time purchase can get you lifetime passive income. And what I really like about the CEO who orchestrated crypto mining and people, we have a utility token called the debt token. DEBT, that's an acronym for Decentralized Eco-Friendly Blockchain Technology. And that is in comparison right now to what a Bitcoin would be, Ethereum, or Binance. If you got in at Binance, which is a little over $200, Ethereum, the utility tokens, right? And they are moving, when I say they, the corporate culture is making the debt token, the token that connects all of these cryptos, right? These cryptocurrencies are backed by real world commodities. I say this all the time. If it's not backed up, it's probably made up. They're making it a layer one crypto, a layer one which people can come in whether they have land or NFTs and list and build their land, physical land or NFTs on this foundation of a layer one crypto. And this is what makes Ethereum, Binance change because other projects can build upon it. So imagine if you would have got in Ethereum or even Bitcoin or Binance at $17 because that right now is the USD equivalent price, not the value, right? Not the value. Broke people know the price of everything, the value or nothing of where the entry level for to get these debt tokens. And just today, right? I would gladly send you the video to get more information about it. Just text CC to 331-444-5556. Corporate, and this opportunity made available for people to have licenses. Up to this, the licenses were sold out. It was only 15,000, I want to say, available. They offered up today more licenses for this debt token, for this eco-friendly. See, people, the power is in blockchain technology too, right? Blockchain technology. This is when Henry Ford and John D. Rockefeller, right? This is the fourth industrial revolution. This is when people are successful, when they understand where the technology market is headed. And once you understand the power of blockchain technology and passive income and crypto nodes, you will run through a brick wall to get it. You will not have your money sitting idle, not working. You will gladly convert your cash into these crypto nodes. So this is a unique corporate culture, leaders within this big business that created a unique opportunity for everyday people and retail investors to accumulate these tokens to purchase an ATM that gives them perpetual income flow or crypto flow. And so they empower everyday people with entrepreneurship, with quality cryptos that are backed by commodities and quality service. And they're giving you the blueprint from transforming your life from ordinary people to extraordinary. And that's on the financial side, and that's on the time freedom side as well. When you ask parents, you know, if you are a parent, right? And oftentimes when the kids become older, you ask parents, like, what was your biggest regret? A parent would say that I did not spend more time with my children, or we didn't travel the world more. We didn't go outside of the United States. We didn't see Bora Bora. We didn't see Paris or France. We didn't see Dominican Republic. And people, this not only buys you financial freedom, but time freedom, right? And so this leadership, this opportunity is creating a culture in which everyday people can soar, which everyday people can drastically pass on generational wealth, can increase while they're working, their money is working, and really position you to where your money works harder than you do. How many of you all can say that your money right now is working harder than you work? And so they provide this to you in the form of crypto nodes, which is digital mining that you can mine right from your cell phone, right? And I'm gonna just give you this disclaimer. Yes, this mark, it does fluctuate. I can't tell you, okay, what exactly will be my return on investment. But I can tell you this. This crypto, this portfolio is at $32,145 at the time of this live stream. Just in a little under an hour, I posted a screenshot to this group, to our private Facebook group. Um, I got a DEBT, decentralized, a utility token, blockchain technology token today, and it started mining today. And let's see, less than 22 minutes ago, it was at $13,053. 13,000, 32,000. Why I'm saying 13? I'm sorry. 13. This is the private Facebook group. I sent the screenshot. $32,053. And now, and it goes, it's at 32,145. And I'm just live streaming to you all. That's really why I haven't live streamed in a couple of days. Because my money is working whether I hit the go live button or not. My money is growing whether I hit the go live button or not. And so what they do is they give cryptos that are backed by real world commodities like black gold, which is crude oil, Texas tea, aluminum, drip. Drip is a water-based cryptocurrency. DCM, this is a data mining center, or data center mining that mines Bitcoin and proof of work cryptos in a very eco-friendly type way. The government is talking about going green all the time. So you want something that's friendly to the environment. And now instead of using electricity and high voltage and high electrical bills to mine and to mine Bitcoin and proof of work, now they're using natural gas. I just read an article a couple of days ago that other countries are using volcanic um, lava from volcanoes to mine Bitcoin, right? And so they give you the options, and that you can have an opportunity to have built-in success with this company. There's not leaving people behind, and the employees are not employees, but the people that purchase these crypto nodes, now they become business partners. They become like shareholders if you was in stocks of this opportunity, and you get a stake in the outcome of the company. And this is right now, people, a multi-million dollar company. In fact, if you go to Business for Home, Viraj Patel is the, I think he's at $1.2 million a month, the number one income earner. So giving everyday people that's sharing in the profits of this company through their mining of real crypto. Let's see, let's read this. Pale Hamja, can you tell me where you are from? Are you from the States? Or is that just your YouTube name? Because I can't really pronounce it. So and people that helping people understand the importance of profit through passive income. So it's linking these multimillionaires through a billion dollar company, and it's linking everyday people like you and I, who are middle class or upper middle class, or six-figure income earners, or you are millionaires, you want to be a deca millionaire, right? um okay. And it helps you linking your financial success and helping other people understand that profit is the lifeline of this business. And with cryptocurrency, having it backed by real commodities. You are from DC. We have some business partners in DC. I have some of my success partners in DC. So send me a text and let's get you started. And so yeah, people, do something more meaningful with your life and have a greater impact, right? Do something more meaningful with your life, um, and have a greater impact. We are headed into a recession. The government already said today that they're going to raise the base entry. They didn't raise the entry points today, but they already said they are going to raise the base um, points two more times this year. Why are they prolonging it? I don't know. But it's going to happen, right? And life begins at the end of our comfort zone. It is time for you to stop seeing gas and grocery prices increase and you do nothing to grow your money, right? And so, if you want to be in a community of like minded people, if you want to grow your money passively, and you can also have residual income if you don't mind talking to people and helping people financially, right? Because, see, people, this is a human company. This is a company that, let's see, I'm trying to think, that they're helping people who will not have access to these, or they're helping and make it more affordable for people who otherwise could not afford. I mean, the debt license now, you have a minimum of 10 years. It's like, again, buying an ATM that's going to give you unlimited cash. It's like buying a goose that's going to lay you golden eggs. And people, one thing about your life is non-refundable. Your life is non-refundable. One way for you to buy your time back, one way for you to invest in your children, one way for you to grow your finances, is to put your money into a system, right? System means saving yourself time, energy, and money that will outpace inflation, because people, the competitive advantage that this opportunity have is that your crypto is backed by God's commodity, God's wealth. The number one best-selling book on finances of all times that have over 2,000 scriptures about money, investing, and finance is the Bible. And what the Bible tells you real wealth is: gold, silver, land, livestock. In fact, it says in Genesis that Abraham was very rich. And so you have these cryptocurrencies that are backed by commodities. Again, if it's not backed up, it's probably made up. Let me say that again for the people in the back row. If your crypto is not backed up, it's probably made up. So you might be saying, well, Queen, what is Bitcoin backed up by? Bitcoin is backed by intellectual property. No one knows who Satoshi Nakamoto is. Bitcoin can never be hacked, right? Can never be seized, can never be stolen. It cannot be stopped by the government. And all of these cryptos are not only backed by commodities, right? Beverage. We got crypto. We got drip, the water industry, backed by pure water purification for third world countries and states like Mississippi that had a water crisis, and Flint, Michigan, and Kentucky, right? But also backed by aluminum, bauxite, over 10,000 acres of bauxite in Ghana, and real mining and real wealth and real gold, because gold and silver is real money, and it will be used to reset the currency system. And so when you have these cryptos, old money and new money combined, what that means is you have big money in the future. When you put old money and new money combined, you have big money in the future, people. This is when I was a child, we used to say this rhyme when we played games of trying to make a dollar out of 15 cents, right? Trying to make a dollar out of 15 cents. And so people, um, this is a very unique opportunity. The people that's already collaborated, they're 10 steps ahead of most people for what's going to happen. In fact, starting July 1st, OPEC, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, and BRICS Nation are saying they are cutting crude oil, right, being exchanged or shipped to the United States by the millions. So we got to pay close attention and monitor petroleum gas prices right now. But while there will be a World War III that will happen, it will be a commodities war. Do you have cryptocurrencies that backed by natural gas? Do you have cryptocurrencies that backed by grow? Grow is high yielding agriculture. Um, that's backed by plant based medication, not prescription based. Grow is cocoa beans, soybeans, rice. You're talking about, we were just talking about the price of eggs a couple of months ago. We wear commodities every day, 100% cotton. We purchase commodities at the grocery store. So why don't you have cryptos that are linked to things that we use on a daily basis and consume? As much as I love Bitcoin, there's no real use cases for Bitcoin in an everyday world. We don't make transactions with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is built to be a store of value, not for everyday transactions that people will consume. And so you have grow that's backed by weed and hemp and plant-based medication. You have blocks, which is commercial real estate. Listen, if you learn how to be rich in the metaverse, you can be rich in the universe. Would you like to own crypto nodes, right? Digital software, and you get the royalties from real estate without dealing with the hassle of a rental, renovations, or rehabs? Let me say that again. Would you like to get the royalty? Imagine if you can get the royalty of real estate, but you don't have to look for renters. You don't have to deal with, tenants paying you late on rent, tenants bashing your property, tenants calling you about maintenance issues. You get the royalties of real estate, commercial real estate, without needing a renter, without needing to do rent, rehabs or renovation. That's a blocks, real estate, back crypto as well. And then again, digital and gold, beverage, natural gas, people. Natural gas is going to be used for the mining of Bitcoin and not electrical. That's going to be very user friendly for the environment. We got aluminum, and you all, I just got started Thanksgiving of last year. I just got started Thanksgiving of last year. And again, I just purchased my debt. It's already working, my debt license. If you see that 24 hours circling, that lets me know that my money is making money 24 hours a day, 365 days out the year. Is right from my phone, mining from my phone. And even when I'm asleep, there's going to be accumulating more of these tokens for. And so, people, the debt box is one of the highest performing, even though the black gold token has already created millionaires. It just came out in 2011. By June of 2022, over 100 millionaires when crude oil hit its all-time high. We don't know what the price of crude oil is going to be right now with OPEC cutting the production. But people, this is all about supply and demand. This is all about having a system that works for you when you're not working so you can get out of the system, right? So you can get out of the system. So, people, text that number. If you're watching this live right now, wait till it's daylight outside, but text CC to get started today, um, because these nodes do sell out and they're not always available, even though they will mine for you. They will work for you unto perpetuity. We should have learned that if you watched the Whitney Houston movie. When Whitney Houston signed her contract, it was to perpetuity, to the end of the universe, perpetuity income, right? Cash flow, continuity cash flow. This is what's going to give you time freedom and financial freedom. So text CC, I get you more information. You cannot find this on public exchanges like Gemini or Coinbase or BNB. Um, you have to be an exclusive member. So the membership opportunity price range varies for as little as $65 all the way to over $100 if you want to make residual and passive income. Residual comes when sharing the opportunity with others, right? And I can definitely get you more information on it. So to 331-444-5556. Make sure that you are subscribed to me on YouTube as well. Actually, my YouTube subscribers grew by 500 when I wasn't live streaming. So make sure you are subscribed to me on YouTube as well. You all have a great night. Queen out.